How to sign up for a Whatnot account. Ready to join the Whatnot community? Here's how to sign up and create your account. First, open the Whatnot app on your PC and click sign up. You will see multiple sign up options. You can use your email address or choose Google or Apple for quicker registrations. Enter your details, create a strong password and click continue. Next, check your email for a verification link and confirm your account. Once verified, you can add a profile picture and set your username to personalize your profile. Choose a username that reflects your style, especially if you plan on selling or joining live streams often. Do you prefer signing up with Google or email? Let us know in the comments below. And that's how you can sign up for a Whatnot account. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.